Hey, I've got a report for you on 2 really important scams. The first scam is that people who want to train you or add value to you or help you, at least give you new information or mindset shift. Now there's all different levels of that, but it's a big scam because, oh my God, they want to help you, so they must be a crook. That's the first scam. The second scam is that you're going to work trading your time for money, and you're only ever still just going to have enough to get by or live a comfortable life. Maybe you go on holiday, maybe you can move into a bigger house every 5 to 7, 10 years because it's appreciated, you sell it and you just use the profit for a new deposit. That's the scam, baby. So there's the 2 scams. Now, they might be scam, they might not be scam, I don't know, I'm open to it. But what I want to put to you is, what are you going to do to investigate this for yourself, rather than taking on someone else's beliefs? Maybe even someone who's commented in this feed, wherever you're watching it, saying that it's a scam, or that these people don't know what they're doing, or they're fake, or whatever. Yeah, maybe you've been influenced by that. I'm asking you, what are you going to do about it to find out for yourself? Maybe show up at the event. But listen, don't come to the event to find out what's wrong, come to the event to find out what's right. Because you've got to ask yourself, is that what you're looking for all the time? Something that's going to go wrong? Because you will always find what you're looking for. If you're looking for a garbage, you will find garbage, it's everywhere. But if you're looking for an opportunity to create some more freedom in your life, add value to more people in society, then maybe property can be your vehicle for financial freedom. Join us 2 days, 2 full days, intense days. So don't come if you think you just want to relax. 2 intense days, real life property wealth, where we not just teach you the strategies of what to do, we actually do it in the room. The transformation happens right there on the premises that weekend. Why? Because we don't just teach you how to do it and then send you home. And the reason for that is because you won't. Because I see it all the time, and that's probably why you guys think it's a scam, because people go to these things, they gather some information and they don't do anything about it. So we're going to do it right there so you can prove to yourself what is possible. What is possible. Because me and Trisha, we built a portfolio of nearly £8 million in just over 2 years, used 0 of our own money. Now, I don't say that to impress you. I just say that to say, hey, look, in a short period of time, you don't even realize what you're capable of. And that's what the whole Real Life brand is about. It's not just about property, it's property and beyond, but property is a fantastic vehicle for financial freedom. So look, if you want to change, or you want to see what new opportunity is available to you, and you want to do something different in your life, then just get your ticket and register.